How can I get my own phone number unlinked from an account I don't recognize?
Welcome everyone. In today's video, we're going to discuss a rather tricky yet essential topic. Have you ever found your phone number linked to an account you don't recognize? It's a concerning situation to be in, and today, we'll guide you through the steps to unlink your phone number from such accounts. Let's get you back in control of your personal information.
Why is this important?
Firstly, it's vital to understand why you need to unlink your phone number from an account you don't recognize. This is crucial because your phone number can be used for identity verification, and if it's associated with an unknown account, it might be used for malicious activities without your knowledge. In worst-case scenarios, you may become a victim of identity theft.
How did this happen?
Before we go into the steps to resolve this, let's briefly discuss how this could have happened. There could be several reasons. Sometimes, it could be a simple case of someone mistyping their number and coincidentally entering yours. Or it could be a case of data breach, where your personal information is leaked from a source that you had trusted.
Unlinking your phone number, step-by-step guide.
Now, let's dive into the steps you should take to unlink your phone number. 1. Contact the platform. Reach out to the platform where the unrecognized account resides. Usually, platforms have support or help centers that can assist in resolving these types of issues. 2. Verify your identity. You'll likely be asked to verify your identity. Be prepared to provide some form of ID proof or answer security questions. This is to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the phone number. 3. Explain the situation. Clearly explain the situation to the support team. Ensure that they understand that your phone number is linked to an account that you don't recognize. 4. Request to unlink. Request the support team to unlink your phone number from the unknown account. They should be able to guide you through their specific process. 5. Follow up. Don't forget to follow up on your request. It's essential to ensure the issue has been resolved.
Preventing future issues.
Now that you've successfully unlinked your phone number from the unrecognized account, let's talk about how to prevent this from happening again. 1. Two-factor authentication. Enable two-factor authentication wherever possible. It adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. 2. Be cautious. Be cautious about where you share your personal information. Not every platform requires your phone number for registration. 3. Monitor your personal information. Regularly monitor your accounts and personal information for any suspicious activities. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through unlinking your phone number from an unknown account. It's a situation no one wants to be in, but knowledge is power. By following these steps and using preventative measures, you can regain control over your personal information. Stay safe online and keep your information secure. Thanks for watching.